green, the water's cold, so jump right in. Don't worry about a little water on your pretty white skin. There's dark clouds on the right, they're gonna pass away. Yeah, heading down south.